Men, I want to point out mistake you make in marriage. 10 mistake men make in marriage. Number 1 mistake is thinking of your satisfaction alone in the bedroom. Thinking of your satisfaction alone in the bed. Most men are selfish in the bedroom and never think of their wife satisfaction. Their wife satisfaction is nothing to them. Once they have satisfied their own urge, they leave the woman alone. It is wrong. Both of you must enjoy and be satisfied. Number 2, reckless spending. Reckless spending. Making big purchases without consulting your wife or spending recklessly is another big mistake most men make in marriages. Keeping a bank account hidden from your wife is not good in a marriage. When you cut off your wife from knowing about your finances, you make her feel less loved and connected. Your wife needs you to trust her with your heart and your finances. Not involving yourself in child hearing. Not involving yourself in child hearing. Most men leave child hearing for their wife and believe all they need to do is provide for the family, and this is wrong. It is wrong as a husband to take a back seat when it comes to child hearing. Spend time with your children and play an active role in their lives. Number 4, not taking care of your body. Most men don't take care of their body. They want their wife to be looking after them. It is wrong. As long as you want your wife to maintain good body, you too must maintain your good body. It is vice versa. Number 5, failure to make future plans. Failure to make future plans. As a husband, you need to give your wife and children security by planning for the future. You have to plan for the future of the marriage, your finances, the children, and so on and so forth. Don't be the husband that lives for the now. Make plans for retirement, old age, death, when the kid gets married, and so on and so forth. Number 6, you don't listen to your wife. You don't listen to your wife. It is another mistake. Most men fail to see their wives as their partner and will rarely listen to her opinion. Learn to listen to what she has to say. Don't assume you know what your wife is going to say or tune her out because you have heard it all before. Number 7, you don't confide in your wife. You don't confide in your wife. That is another mistake. Not confiding in your wife is another common mistake most men make in marriages. Your wife is supposed to be your gossip partner and the one you confide in. She wants to be included in your entire world. Number 8, you allow family and friends disrespect your wife. You allow family and friends disrespect your wife. You have failed as a husband when you allow your family and friends disrespect your wife. Anyone that disrespects your wife also disrespects you. It is as simple as that. Avoiding talking bad about your wife in public so she won't get disrespected. Your family and friends should only know about positive and not the negative about your family or about your wife. You and your wife should sort out the negatives alone. Number 9, you refuse to apologize when you are wrong. You refuse to apologize when you are wrong. Refusing to apologize when you are wrong is one mistake husbands make in marriages. Many men believe they belittle themselves when they apologize to their wife, and this is wrong. Just because you are a man is not a reason not to apologize when you are wrong your wife. Number 10, which is the last point. There are many more. You compare your wife to other women. You compare your wife to other women. Comparison is dangerous. It can destroy your marriage. Never compare your wife to other women. There will always be women around you who have traits and strength that your wife does not have. But do you know the weakness of these women have? Cherish and honor your wife for who she is, not for what she does or doesn't do. If you are blessed, I want you to forward this message to your contacts and subscribe. God bless you really good in Jesus' name.